Guess what we found under a roadside pile of junk? This old CPU was covered in dirt and grime, forgotten and abandoned like a relic from the past. We couldn't just leave it there, so we brought it back and gave it a deep wash and a full bath for this old beast. Next, we disassembled, cleaned every component, and polished it until it shone new. Just look at this transformation. We've attached everything back inside the CPU. It's time for the ultimate test. Will this computer power on or find out? You'll have to watch the video until the end, but if you want to make a guess, leave it in the comments below. This morning I went out to my garden for some fresh air. Just as I enjoyed the peaceful vibe, my friend called, "John, come here." Curious, I followed him as he led me towards the roadside. As we were walking along the side of the road, we stumbled upon something unexpected. A super dusty, old gaming CPU lying abandoned under a pile of debris. It looked ancient, like it had been sitting there for years, and it even had a GTX 1080 graphics card. Or at least we think it's a GTX 1080. I turned to my friend Jack and said, "Hey, let's take this CPU home and properly clean it. Then we'll see if it still works." And just like that, our restoration journey began. After bringing the CPU home, we couldn't wait to see what was inside. We carefully opened the case, and what we found was exactly what we expected. Years of neglect had taken a serious toll. Dust and grime covered every component, making it almost unrecognizable. The RAM slots were clogged, the GTX 1080 graphics card was coated in dirt, and the fans were so dirty they looked like they hadn't moved in decades. Even the hard disk was buried under layers of dust. The first step was to dismantle the system completely. Piece by piece, we removed the RAM sticks, the graphics card, the fans, and the hard disk, ensuring we handled everything carefully to avoid damage. Once everything was taken apart, we could fully assess the situation. Clearly, this CPU had been sitting unused for years, but we were determined to bring it back to life. We got to work cleaning. Using brushes, compressed air, and patience, we removed dirt and grime layers. It wasn't easy. At times, it felt like the dust had become part of the components themselves. Slowly but surely, the parts started regaining their original shine. The satisfaction of seeing the transformation kept us going. We decided to take the cleaning a step further once the cleaning was done. To give this old CPU a fresh look, we washed the entire case and gave it a proper bath. By the end of it, the case looked spotless, almost like new. With all the components cleaned and the case ready, we were finally ready to move on to the next phase, reassembling this beauty and seeing if it still worked. After the cleaning process was complete, we couldn't stop there. This wasn't just about making the CPU functional, it was about giving it a complete makeover. We decided to repaint the case to make it look as fresh and stunning as possible. After some brainstorming, we settled on a bold golden color. Why golden? Well, nothing screams premium quite like a shiny golden finish. Before starting, we prepared the case by masking off areas we didn't want to paint, like the vent openings and the screws. Then, with steady hands, we started spraying the golden paint. The first coat was smooth, but we added 2 more coats for perfect finishes. The transformation was immediate. With each layer of paint, the case started looking more and more like a high-end custom-built rig. We left it to dry for a couple of hours, and when we came back, it shone like a trophy that you'd proudly display on your desk. With the case ready, it was time to reassemble everything. First, we placed the cleaned motherboard back into the case, ensuring it aligned correctly with the mounting points. Then came the RAM sticks, which slotted in smoothly now that they were spotless. Next, we reinstalled the GTX 1080 graphics card, ensuring the connectors were snug and secure. The power supply came next, followed by the fans, which looked brand new after the thorough cleaning. As each part went back into place, the CPU started to look more alive. We connected all the cables carefully, double-checking every connection to ensure there wouldn't be any issues during testing. The hard drive, which had also been perfectly cleaned, was reconnected, and we secured everything firmly in place. Step by step, the CPU was coming back together as a functional machine and a masterpiece of restoration. By the end of it, the golden finish, combined with the clean components, made it look like a brand new gaming rig straight out of the store. With everything reassembled, we couldn't help but admire the transformation. This wasn't the same dusty, forgotten CPU we'd found under the road. It was a completely new machine that deserved a second chance to shine. The excitement was building. Would it work? That was the ultimate question we were about to answer. With everything reassembled, it was finally time for the moment we had been waiting for, the ultimate test. We connected all the peripherals, the monitor, keyboard, mouse, and power cables. We double-checked each connection to ensure nothing was loose or out of place. Finally, with a deep breath, we reached for the power button. Would it work, or would all this effort be for nothing? We pressed the power button, and for a moment, there was silence. Then, the fans roared to life, the lights flickered on, and the motherboard logo appeared on the screen. It worked. This golden beast of a CPU had been brought back to life after who knows how many years of neglect. It wasn't just functioning, it was performing beautifully. To test its capabilities, we launched a game to see how well the GTX 1080 would handle modern performance requirements. Despite its age, the graphics card delivered stunning visuals without a hitch. The system was running smoothly, and the temperature levels were perfectly stable, a testament to the thorough cleaning and restoration we had done. It was incredible to see something once buried under dust now performing like a high-end gaming rig. But before we wrap this up, here's the deal. If you enjoyed this transformation and want to see more epic restorations, don't forget to smash that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us continue these fantastic projects. Now back to the game testing. This system isn't just functional, it's a complete masterpiece. That's all for today, folks. See you in the next restoration adventure.